Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing for you, and this one's a little special because this one's coming out of Japan, and I just received this today, and I'm a little skeptical of opening this just because of the whole virus thing going on right now. And I will remove the label here. So here is the label coming out of Japan, pretty cool. And I am kind of feeling under the weather. Hopefully I don't have the virus, but I haven't been coughing. My temperature's a little up. I'm not even sure because I can't find my thermometer, but anyways, hopefully I don't have anything too serious. But let's open this package up and see what we got going on. And I waited about 2 weeks for this to arrive. And this one's very special. There we go. And hopefully the virus doesn't shoot up in my face. Throw this damn thing outside the window. And I do have the all-purpose cleaner, disinfect with the towel just in case. And we're going to take a closer look at it together here. But I bought this one off eBay, an auction. I won the auction, and I believe I purchased this for $76 with free shipping. This is a pretty cool package here. Wow, they did a great job. So this is the PSP Giga pack, and this is the white model. I am so excited to open this up and talk about this bundle here with you guys. And I don't believe everything is included, and this was sold as is for parts or repair. So yeah, let's take a look at it together here closer. Alright, so here we are. Let's open this baby up. And did a great job on packaging this thing up. Hopefully my Japanese people are doing good and they're safe from the whole pandemic going on right now. And there we are. Beautiful box in great condition. Now if you're not familiar with the Giga pack, this is a pretty rare bundle. You won't find these brand new anymore just because they're very limited. And this bundle was created during the holidays, and I would like to talk about this in another video, but this was very limited, and this was given out during the holiday season in Japan. I believe they were the only ones to do this, but this was better than the value pack because you had a 1 GB memory stick Pro Duo included. And there were only two colors, the white and black, I believe. So yeah, here is the actual size. Beautiful box. I've always wanted a Giga pack ever since I saw the first ever PSP portable white unboxing on YouTube, and that was years ago. Probably in like 2009 or 2010. But I always wanted one, and at the time they were extremely expensive, and I just couldn't afford it. And the Giga pack also includes a stand, but I believe this bundle that I purchased did not include one, unfortunately, and that's a rare accessory, rare piece, because that was only included in the Giga pack. So if you have one of these and you have this original stand, kudos to you for keeping that, because those are very limited. Here is the unboxing, guys. There is the Memory Stick Pro Duo card. Nice. Original PSP. Probably won't even mess around with this at all. Just leave it intact. Let's just open this up. So yeah, it just holds the card in place. I like the kind of a bronze color here that matches the color on the card too. Here is the original USB cable. And with this bundle, it included a USB cable, the PSP battery cover, the foam case, a cloth to clean your PSP, the memory card, and cable and charger. So we got the original manual. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, this was pre-owned. This was a pre-owned bundle, and finding one brand new, I did find one for $120, but I wanted the white version. The black one is not that expensive. I've seen one go for $120 right now on eBay, which is not bad. I was considering buying that one too. And here are the headphones, used up. But these are the original headphones, and I don't actually have these. My buddy did send them to me, but they were jacked, and the foams around were just melted away. But yeah, these headphones are unique because they have the PSP logo on each earbud. Very nice. And here is the controller to the headphones. So you can see it plugs straight in with the adapter there, or the extra connection, however you want to call it. And this one did have a crack. This one had a crack, and they were saying that there was some damage, but overall it was in great condition. There is the charger. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get the pouch nor the cleaning cloth. That was missing, but it's okay. I'm happy with what I got here. As long as it works, I'll be good. Wow, this thing is in excellent condition. There's just that crack on the bottom, you see that? That's unfortunate. But original, whoops, hard to pick up this white on the camera. Original buttons, original analog here, buttons. Yeah, so looks great. And the back looks nice too. This kind of got yellow, this memory stick cover. But the ring is always a good sign to see that there's no scratches, because they took really good care of this piece. And obviously when you're in and out of using this, it does get discolored, along with this too, if you're constantly messing with it. But I'm not sure why these pieces get yellowed out. Here's the original battery. And there it is, PSP 1000, not the 1001, but 1000. Very nice, original Japanese. Now we're gonna plug in the power cable. See if it charges. Yep. Wait a second. I'm getting an orange blinking light. That's not good. I'm gonna have to look that up, because usually when you're charging, it's just a solid orange. There we go. What is it, 23rd? And the time is, screw the time. Let's see what kind of firmware we got going on here. I'm not going to give my MAC address away, obviously. So it's on 3.52. I'm not seeing the battery charge at all. Kind of worried about that. Let's see what happens if I disconnect the battery from... Okay. Now what I'm going to do next is test one of my batteries that I have here. Here's my charged battery. So we have a solid light, perfect, and I believe and we have the charging icon at the top. Now when I put the original battery back in, we're not going to see that battery icon, and it disappears, and we have a blinking orange and green light. So the battery is faulty. That's great news. That's all that's wrong with it. And they did mention that in the description, saying, hey, this thing doesn't want to stay on, so the system is broken. Because the battery looks okay. It's brand new. It's a shame that it's not charged. Oh, something is loose in there. Yeah, that's bad. Something is definitely wrong with that battery. So we'll just replace that and be good to go. Not a big fan of that crack, but you know what? This overall condition is amazing, and I'm happy to finally have a white, authentic Japanese PSP 1000. Now the one we just saw here, now this one is a custom built PSP 1000. This is an original housing, but I had to build it, right? And there are a few missing screws because they just don't fit very well. As you can see, some of the buttons weren't even fitting too. It might have been aftermarket, but it's so close to it. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or concerns or curious on how I usually get this stuff, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.